Hello, my dear students of class 12 geography. In this video, I have included certain topics which will help you in answering the questions based on understanding. In the board examinations, certain statement is taken from inside the chapter and is told to explain the statement or justify the statement. Though we have made the basic study of the chapter, but for answering such question needs a special explanation. Thinking that I am preparing this video, the first topic I select from the chapter 1 of Fundamentals of Human Geography. The chapter is Human Geography, Nature and Scope. And the topic is the nature and human beings are so intricately intertwined that they cannot be separated. They should be seen holistically. They are inseparable elements. And this statement needs to be justified. We all know the core concern of geography as a discipline is to understand the earth as the home of human beings and to study all those elements which sustain them. So, the basic focus, the major focus, major emphasis is on a study of nature and human beings holistically. Major focus is on, in geography, is on to study nature and human beings in a holistic manner. Human beings depend on nature for various resources. All the elements of material culture such as village, towns, road, rail network, industries, farm, etc. have been created by human beings out of the resources provided by nature or physical environment. So, physical environment also get influenced by the activities of human, and human life has undoubtedly the influence of nature. In geography, you have seen, you have studied that many geographical features, physical features of the earth and related components are described by described in metaphors using symbols from the human anatomy, such as face of the earth, nose of the glacier, neck of the isthmus, mouth of a river. These all examples show that there is an intrinsic relationship between nature and human beings, and they are inseparable elements and should be seen holistically only. So, this way, this statement can be justified. This statement is to be replied. Now, another topic is the knowledge about nature is extremely important to develop technology. The knowledge about nature, better understanding of the nature helps us to develop technology. How? My boys, human beings interact with their physical environment with the help of technology. Human beings interact with the nature with the help of technology. And the level of technology reflects or indicates the level of cultural development of a society. If we see the human society of the early stages or modern ages. The basic difference we find in the level of technology, and that has created the difference in the material culture, in the socio cultural elements. But as so in the early stages, humans uh, being adapted to the dictates of nature, humans were adapted to the dictates of nature. They used to obey the nature, and they had less control on the physical environment, mainly because the level of technology was low. But human beings were able to develop technology, efficient technology, better technology after developed after they developed better understanding with better understanding of natural laws. They interacted the nature, they observed the nature, and they came to know the laws of nature, and that helped the human to develop better technology. And these better technology have helped us to loosen the shackle of environment. Let us see through let us see it through examples. The understanding of concepts of friction and the heat helped us to discover fire. When we understood that friction produces heat, so this understanding helped us to develop better, discover fire. Similarly, understanding of the concepts of DNA and genetics have helped us to control diseases and develop better medication for various diseases. Similarly, we find the laws of aerodynamics have helped us to develop faster planes, and we can cover the largest distances in very less time. So thus we find that knowledge about nature is extremely important for development of better technology, efficient technology, and the efficient technology only will loosen the shackles of environment on human beings. Thank you in this video, and few more topics we will discuss in the another video.